There's a couple points in my video where I have jump cuts. It looks like this. I don't know if you can see that, but I made a cut there, so my head, the position of my head kind of twitches when I made the cut between scenes. So we can add transitions to smooth things out or to mark changes in the point I'm talking about. So I'm introducing a story, and then I could add a transition to indicate to the viewer that I'm about to talk about the story. So to do that, you find the transitions heading at the top, transitions button. And if you hover over these, you can see what these look like. So this one has like a flip. That one does a flip as well. This one changes it like zooms in and zooms out, which is kind of cool. That one does a quick zoom in, quick zoom out, that type of thing. And to add these, you can just grab one and just drop it right on the transition wherever you made a cut. Like I had a cut right there. And let me just zoom in on this. I'm zooming in by holding Command and scrolling up on my computer's keyboard. On Windows, it'll be Control and scroll. But here's what this transition looks like. I hit play. So it does that little zoom in and zoom out, a quick little zoom that covers up that bad cut. Here it is again, just like that. And then I could go through everywhere that I made a cut and add a transition. So I could do this inhale, drop it in right there at that cut. Let's see how this looks. I'm gonna hit play. So it's super quick. And it'll be more obvious if I had different cameras because it's still me talking, it's still the same background. It doesn't look that dramatic, but if you had totally different scenes, these transitions would look a lot more dramatic. But go through, add transitions to all the cuts in your video, and I'll see you in lesson 10, which you can find by clicking here.